Okay, let's have a look at how we can set up our cloud console. So we go to cloud.google.com and then we log in, and choosing the account that we want to use the cloud console with. So this may be a generic account at school, or it may be your IT support account at school. So I'm going to go up to the top right here and click on Get Started for Free. What this will do is it will start to set up my cloud account. So remember, your cloud account is what connects your data coming in and your data going out. It's your cloud warehouse. So we get to this place here, choosing the country. What is my organization? I'm going to call this a personal project. Yes, I've read this. I will continue. So what I'll do now in the background is set up my cloud account. You'll see there I get $300 credit for free. We now need to set up our payment verification. So you will need to put in some information about yourself or about your school here. You are also looking at how you're going to pay and the credit card that you are going to use. So all the information is through there. I'm going to go start my free trial. So we're now setting up the project. Now remember, you can begin this for free, and it is billed based on the amount of data you use. So we're all set up here. A little bit of information to collect to know about why you're here. We go through, done. I'm going to go for mobile apps and some storage. Do that. My role is an engineer or developer. Why not? Okay, so now we have interactive tutorials about cloud storage, compute engine, and SQL as well. So I'll skip that for now, but you can find all that stuff up in the top right up here in the support. So here we are on the cloud platform homepage. You'll see up the top there is my first project. What I can do is I can drop that down and I can create a new project. So if I go a new project and I call this project my school data export. Okay, so school data export, and it might be 2022, or let's give a generic name. So to BigQuery, there we go. It's now going to ask for my organization. Now, because this is not attached to my school account or to my other cloud account, I would need to choose which organization I'm going to be working with on here. So I'll go create. Okay, so we now have a project set up. You can see up in the top right, it says there is my first project. So this will give us all our activity through here as well. Now, when we're having a look at the different things that are available to us, all the stuff down here will give us information in the center about what we can do. Okay, so there's a checklist here that gives us a list of all the things we need to make sure we have completed. Some top products are there. We can click this to view all our products. On the left-hand side is our billing information. We have our APIs. There is some admin in here. There is a really great getting started link here you can have a look at. A whole pile of our different solutions down here that you can do and things that you can use if you want to start digging a bit deeper into the cloud side of things. Your cloud storage is down here, and you can choose to manage your cloud storage in here as well. So that's how we would set up our first project. Now remember that our project we had set up is the one we'll be using to link everything up with. So if I have a look through here, I can go to recent. My first project is here, so that's what we were looking at. That was the information around our first project. We can go up to here. We can click to look at all the different products that are available to us in here. So if we're looking at our networking, our analytics, there is our BigQuery there. So if we click into BigQuery, it will give us information about BigQuery, some helpful tips and useful things that we need to know about. There we go, about BigQuery. Now, yes, I've got that. Thank you. So up here, we'll have our editor. We have some projects that are in there as well. I'm going to drop this down to have a look at where my projects are. So there is my school data export to BigQuery project. So that is the name of the project I would add to my admin console, and the one I would look for to import into Data Studio. So that's how I'd set up our GCP or our Google Cloud platform. And also up in the top right is where all our support will live. So hopefully that helps you understand a bit more about how to set up your Google Cloud platform account to allow that connection between the data and the output.